Anach. Iompainn. Ilan a mac ó chósta gwi dóir I ddír chonal. Gardanach is jeise in Erin le hetla na horta nuas an talú da hihi conithe leithúirí TG Cahar. Agus rialta rá ceol mór le rá.
Far, far away on a Donegal shore.
An fear, Ian Miller. Fear actriachta scialaí agus únior unique ascent. An dúshlán. Tugam an dúshlán taistil lumsa go Iompainn Ilan gan chonaí agus mé a thuirt thuras nar éirí le maran eile a dheanú riamh hana. Sin taistil chayak trasna ó ceann an Oileán faoin talú.
Yeah, baby!
Where are we and what's happening today?
We're in Port Arthur in Western Donegal, just off Godor here, and the cunning plan is to head out to sea, past by the outside of Iompainn, and we're going to go through a tunnel, through an island, through an island, through an island, through an island.
When you went there for the first time, there was no guarantee you were going to get to the end. Was it absolutely terrifying?
I've got the footage, and no one will ever see it.
Oh really? How will I be feeling?
As we enter, and the further we get from the light, the louder it becomes, until the point you think this is a really, really bad idea. Of all the ideas I've ever had, this is the worst. And then we get into the darkness, and you're so focused on the moment that nothing exists in the future. Wow. Nothing exists in your past, because that paddle and those rocks and what you can see in the darkness through your, and then you see the chink of light. And then
there's hope. And
then we get reborn.
So Ian, chance of survival?
Slim.
Slim to none. Cai mé rá nachró mar an misní agam tar éis dom chóirlia aine ail, ac é sin ráte rinne sé pointe tábhachta. Bhí fíor chuntuirt ag buint leis an turas seo, ac bhí monní nomlan agam as mo chóluidir.
Céin sin go bhfuil muid chun tríle bhaint as dul fríd in Oileán, mé glóirt le éon faoi agus tá sé rá ceapan sé go bhfuil na coinne le go mai, ac béle feclan ar a támuid níos congrá, but támuid an tríle bhaint as.
Glach sé breis is daithid nóméid arin Iompainn a chráithú. Bhí ní aon dom go bhfuil sé fíor hábhachta an airige a scrúdú ón Oileán seo, mar go nimseo é sé sin dit conas mar a bheith an tuisce ar an tíb eile. Bhí an aimseir go hálín ar an lá agus geargur hiig mé nach gíonn sé sin go mé an airige ciúin. Nuair a chráithir mar bell na plúise, seo mar a bhí cursaí. Ar an dráchúr bhí cúachtain isce rá láidir dúin agus dúirt aon nach ró sé sábhaid se go leor dul isteach ann. Dúirt sé lom go ró sé féin ag dul tríd an Oileán riamh agus bhí camera aige. Bhí an tau dearg uirinn gur ghlac sé an fís an eisiíoch seo do Bloc.
Yeah!